naman ng Diyos, hindi kami nagkaganito lagi. The last time I remember na may mga few times kami in the past years na ganito. Pero the first time talaga I remember like this was February 22, 2006, just a couple of months before my husband arrived here in Canada. And then I didn't have a shovel back then. I was in an apartment the first time I was in an apartment. And ang bahay, ang sasakyan ko talaga, ayan no, ang lakas ng hangin. Yung sasakyan ko that time was under the dip of the snow at wala akong pala, so I was using the cover of my my stove back then. So ayun, ipasok na right now it's 5:15 in the evening, afternoon, ano ba yun? So yan, nanginginig ang aking kamay. So this is our front, sa front ng bahay namin. So, ito naman sa back of our house. So, ayan. Ayan yung ilaw yung namin kasi sensor yan siya. It's actually solar. So, ito yung namin. Ito yung, ayan yung ilaw namin talaga na, ayan, sensor sa solar namin yan. So, ayun. Sa likod namin. Ayan yung aming deck. So, hindi nilang masyado, it's not really like seen much on the video, but pabugso-bugso po yung hangin niya. Like, the strong wind is on and off. So right now, it had come a little bit, but still, ayan. So, ayan. Ito, ayan, sensor. Ayan, umilaw siya. So, nakikita niyo yung snow. Ayan yung dog park na. Hi kuya. Ayan yung walk park. Dog walk park dyan. Ano siya? Oh my god. May pasok ako mamaya. Good luck to me mamaya. Okay, I'm gonna make food yeah. Oh, that's so good yeah. So, update ko kayo later guys. So, keep safe everyone. Ayun. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Pumapatak na snow. Pabugso-bugso siya. I'm pretty sure close to my work. Pag mga ganito ang mga this kind of weather in my work. I don't know. My work is just 10 minutes away from home drive. But it's heavier than this. So, ayan. Ingat everybody. Take care everyone.